everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Niranjana from Leo Tales, and today we have Think About It box here. We have already unboxed their 1150 edition where we had that striped clutch and nail foundation. I hope you guys remember it. So today we will be unboxing their 499 edition. It is not a fully personalized subscription, but yes, for the bag you have a personalized choice, so that is good. So let's start, and as you know, payment options, all of that will be listed in the description box, and also the box offers free shipping at $4.99, which is good. So let's get started. So here we have Think About It at $4.99. We have already seen the sneak peek and all the products are inside, and one product is outside that I'll show you. So basically this is the first product of the 499 edition, and it is actually a triangular clutch. There are different designs available. You can use it like a wristlet, or you can just carry it like a bag, and it has a very beautiful design going on. The price claimed by Think About It is around 500. I saw this on Amazon just yesterday at 850 rupees. So the pricing is definitely on the high side, and you will I think there's a design choice for you. So anyway, all of them are the traditional designs, and then there are two hangings as well, a very traditional one, and one side has a zipper closure, and inside that you have all the products. So a very unique design. Usually we get these sling bags or other clutch ones, but the triangular sling, that to a very traditional one, that is one of the reasons why I really like the 499 editions. So this is the first product. Next we have here is skincare. You will either receive a shower gel or you receive a body lotion from the brand Good Vibes. What I got here is the Cade Rose Exotic Shower Gel, 200 ml, and the price is 225 rupees. I already have the Frangipani variant, which I got in my March Think About It, which is about to get over, and I like that one. Good Vibes is one of those very promising and yet affordable brands. So this is for 225 rupees, and Cade Rose antiseptic. It will free the skin from any infection. It will keep skin toned and healthy. Well, that is good. Rose oil has several benefits also, so I definitely want to give this a shot. I just want to sniff this one because the fragrance of rose is very tempting. So, and the fragrance is very strong. It is neither like the Indian gulabri nor a British rose, something in between, but a very strong fragrance, a perfect one for floral lovers. So this is my second product. Next I have here is a lip balm from Humblebee. It is the watermelon variant, and Humblebee, as you know, it's a completely handmade brand. So this is how many grams? You're getting 9 grams of the product. Petroleum jelly, color essence, and vitamin E. The print is missing here, so I just have to check with them. I think the price is 299 rupees if I remember correctly. It has a very short lifespan of 4 months. That means it's very pure. And for summers, well, I don't use lip balms that much, but I always like collecting these cute lip balms. It has a very pleasant fragrance, not exactly like a citrusy fragrance. So I'll definitely, let's just try this. It's basically a colorless, I dropped it. It's basically a colorless lip balm. Only the pink color is seen in the tub, which is good. People usually, even men can use lip balms which are colorless, you know, and even for to wear under lipstick, it's better to go for a colorless lip balm. So it's a very hydrating one, and this is again a full-sized product. Then I have here is from Fuchsia. It is a deluxe sample. It is the lavender and calendula hydrating face gel. The ingredient list, the key ingredient list is mentioned here. So it is a 15-gram sample, and it's priced at 75 rupees. If you use it daily just for face one time, you can use it easily for around 10 to 15 times, because you don't need that much of quantity. I've tried all the face gels from Fuchsia. Face gels, it is one of those products from Fuchsia that I actually like after their foot cream. Their oil balance face gel is good. Their berry blend is good. This lavender, this one is extremely good. So yeah, this is the next product, and it is suitable for all skin types. Next you will receive a cute product, probably a makeup tool or an accessory or something. It will be a random product, and what I received is a Hello Kitty brush. I already have a full Hello Kitty set, and this will be a good addition to the set. So this is how the bristles are. Like the brush is very soft, not bristles. The brush is very soft, and this is what I got. You may receive anything. Basically, it's not just the brush. You could receive any accessory or tool. So it will be random, and what I got, I really liked it. Again, no choice, it will be random. So this is the next product. And finally, I received a jewelry piece, but this is a very simple earrings actually. It is just a stud earrings, and that's it. So this is again will be random. You may receive the same stud or different. Although I was expecting maybe a a better jewelry piece. So yeah, that is my last one. So other than the jewelry piece, I liked everything else. I was yeah, to be very honest, I was expecting maybe a bigger earrings or something. So this is just too casual. But other than that, at $4.99, this is a good product. You're getting 2 full-size skincare products, a lip balm and a shower gel, and the bag. These 3 are my favorites here. And even the accessory or the tool is also a good one. Basically, my feeling is that if there is a better jewelry piece, then the $4.99 with free shipping becomes a good choice, because the bag is actually something that you can carry for parties, and it is not something that you know they just use to stock up the products. So it is actually in itself is a good one. So yeah, that's my review about the $4.99. Think about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. So let me know how you guys like the box and what you guys think about it. Think about it. Yeah, that's the name of the box as well. So okay, so we'll meet soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.